Hey guys and gals, this is Big T Fix-It here. We're replacing a shutoff valve to a water sprinkler system. Come on, let's go. As you know, Winter Storm Uri took a toll on a lot of our plumbing here in Texas. And these particular sprinkler valves, they tend to split here on this supply valve. And also the bonnet and poppets would also break. This particular one, it looks like it got spared. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to replace this valve by itself with a PVC valve. Let's get started. Now we need a pipe wrench. 2 pipe wrenches. See if I have this fitting. This is not what I anticipated. Alright, so we're looking for the proper adapter, pipe adapter right now. Let's see what we have on the truck. So we have a 1-inch male pipe adapter, but we need a 1-inch female pipe adapter. So what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and glue our valve on, and we're going to close it. That way the property can have water service while we run to the store and get the proper part. Okay. You always want to prime. Some products you don't have to use primer, but if you have it, you might as well use it. What's the old saying? An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. You want to shut it so we don't get glue on the ball valve in there. So we'll let that primer set for just a few seconds. Now I'm going to run and get a paper towel and make sure we get all the water and moisture off of it.
What are you applying?
A little PVC glue. I like to use the blue kind. This is Christie's Red Hot Blue Glue. Of course, we're only going to apply glue to one side for right now. I like to apply 2 coats. With the first coat, get a little tacky, and then apply another coat all the way down. Press and hold for 30 seconds. Clean up your mess. The glue that drips down. Okay. All right, now it's time for a quick trip to the store. We've got our fitting here. This is a threaded female pipe adapter to 1-inch PVC. So it's going to screw on just like that. You can use Teflon tape. A lot of people prefer that. I prefer pipe putty, pipe dope. Tend to have better results. See if we can reuse this piece. Looks like it's going to be a little short. Cut that right there. Purple primer will stain your fingers, so you don't want your fingers stained. Wear some gloves. But if you're a real guy or gal, you won't mind. Okay, we'll let our glue set for about 10 or 15 minutes, then we'll be ready to pressure test. Okay, we've made a repair. We got the water meter on. The valve is on at the street, so we're just going to pressure test for a few minutes and check for leaks. And that's it. Let the checking begin. The valve is in the on position. No leaks above or below the valve. Check this fitting here, nothing. This threaded fitting feels nice. The bonnet and poppet are good. There's no leaking out of here. So the next step would be to apply full pressure at the water main. So we're going to go ahead and open that valve all the way up. Alright, so our pressure test was successful when we ran all 6 zones on the sprinkler system. And now this homeowner is ready to water according to his schedule. See you next time.